Dr. Pearl here, getting ready for week number 2. So I hope you all are getting organized in your groups and things are starting to fall into place for you. We want to talk about several things this week to make sure that you continue to stay on the right track.
Let's go ahead and take a look at the requirements for week number 2, generating and designing good change ideas. So your basic assignments are the discussion posts, which of course are due Wednesday night at 11:59 p.m. with your response or reaction due by Saturday. And then there's the peer-to-peer group work. So you have 3 different things you're really working on as a group this week. First one is the team contract. So you want to make sure that you identify roles, responsibilities, your expectations, and be sure to put that accountability in there too. Secondly is the needs statement, and you should have already come up with your own personal idea of something that needs to be changed. As a group, you're going to narrow it down to 1 and put that needs statement together, which is the 3rd item, needing to be turned in by Sunday at 11:59. The 3rd item on the peer-to-peer group that you'll be working on is your solution design. And so as you work on that solution design and you complete your assignments, be sure to refer to all the resources, but keep in mind a few things. First of all, you want to try to avoid solution thinking. And when I say solution thinking, I mean coming up with a need, with the solution or the correction or the change already in mind before you really define the need totally. And so that really takes a lot of looking at things. You want to determine and distinguish the difference between needs and symptoms, because sometimes we look at the symptoms, want to change something because of the symptom, and we haven't really drilled down to the need. And the need is looking for the root cause. So in looking for the root cause, you want to find that key thing that is really behind the issue or the problem that you are trying to solve. Finally, keep in mind the evaluation analytics. There's 3 different types. There's the descriptive analytics. That's when you look at the data and ask, well, what happened or what is happening? And that's telling you right now, this is the data, what's going on. We use that descriptive data to do predictive analytics, and that's to tell us what we expect to happen. So based on what is happening now or what has happened, what do we expect to happen? And the 3rd type of analytics is that prescriptive analytics, and that is analyzing what should be done. What can we do to make our outcome what we want it to be, not what we predict it to be? So those are the 3 type of analytics. And to just give you a little example, taking into account potential for change, let's just look at a company's sales. So the descriptive analytics would be looking at the last 12 months of a company's revenue or sales stream and identifying what it is. If we take a look and we see that, sales has increased by 5% every month, that's something that actually happened. We can take that information and use it for predictive analytics and see what we expect. So based on what has been happening, we can look at what we expect, and that would be for sales to continue to increase 5% per month. Of course, as long as we continue doing the same things that we've always been doing. Prescriptive analytics would be what should be done or what can we do to increase our monthly sales by 10%, which maybe is the industry average as opposed to what we're actually experiencing. And so this is where you start going into the whys and talking about why things are happening. So we first look at that prescriptive. What can we do? Well, to increase sales, maybe marketing or advertising is the answer. We want to change our marketing plan. Maybe we want to change our prices, drop prices, or give discounts, change our discounting policy. Maybe we want to take a look at adding products, change our product line, or possibly even adding customers, change not only our customer base, but change how we reach out to customers. So these are some of the changes that we might come up with as an idea that would help us increase our sales. But let's go to the 5 whys. So let's first ask, why are we not achieving that 10% monthly increase in sales like the industry? Why is ours only 5? Well, maybe we see that we don't follow the industry's average on how we advertise and market. And so we ask, well, why are we not keeping our marketing up in line with what's going on in the industry? Maybe the answer is, well, we don't have the cash flow dollars to go ahead and increase our marketing budget. Well, the next question would be, why don't we have cash flow dollars to do the additional marketing? Or maybe it's just research and development for more products. So that makes us look at what's going on with our cash flow. And so some of the things we might find are maybe our profit margins are low. So maybe we have to look at changing how we compute our pricing. Or possibly it could be that maybe our fixed costs have increased and we haven't taken into account how that impacts our overall business. The other thing that might be affecting our cash flow is that we have too many dollars tied up in accounts receivable. Again, another why. Is the why because our collection policies are not being followed or practiced or strong enough? Or is it because maybe our credit establishing is too loose or too easy? So as you go deeper and deeper into the whys, you're going to find the root cause. If it's that our collection is not up to par, maybe we need to change how we handle collecting our accounts. Maybe we need to change how we give credit to our new customers and existing customers. So there's so many potential changes that you must go all the way to that root cause. So hopefully a little bit of this example will help you as you refer to the resources and work on your assignments due for this week.
So I want to end by reminding you to stay on task. Be sure to come to your group meetings prepared. And if you need any support or guidance, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Send me a text at 941-962-1211 or reach out via the American University email. With that being said, I want to wish you a very good week, good luck, and keep up the good work.